everybody, my name is Antonio, welcome back to my channel. I decided to make video about DSLR cameras this time and share my thoughts about it and mainly guide you through some beautiful spots in Prague. This is one of the most beautiful spots. I'm gonna use the Nikon 810D. It's from my sister, I borrowed it. She's also a photographer, so shout out to her and check her Instagram. Let's see what we can get. Such a nice view of Charles Bridge. I must warn you that this is not a review video, so what I can do is show you the pictures I took with this camera. Some of the pictures are in color and some of them will be in black and white. We are in Canva Island and we're gonna take some street photography shots or architecture. It's with my for street photography. I don't know, it's a camera, you can use it for any kind of photography. And it's a great camera. With this camera it's really good to use the viewfinder. There's no point of using the live view. Take a shot. Not bad. Okay. I'm gonna have a coffee now after this. Hi people. As you can see from before I fall down, so I need a little bit time to calm down and to drink my coffee in peace. I'm using the Nikon D810 and I'm in Scout Institute, a really nice cafe. You have a great view from here. You can see my camera, you can see the other island, Strelecki Ostrov, Most Leggy, and Charles Bridge is over there. As I said, I'm using the Nikon D810 with a 50mm Nikon lens. It's 1.4. Do you think you can use this kind of camera for street photography? I think absolutely yes. It's heavy, it's big, as you can see, it's huge, and that's the only problem. Otherwise there is no limits of what you can use for street photography. I know everybody's using smaller cameras or Leicas and stuff. Who cares? I mean, as long as you take good shots, it's fine. It's freezing today. Okay, let's drink up the coffee and go. It's really good. Please don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. You can see the link here in the description. Have a shortcut, we can go to this island. I want to create a community here, so I created this hashtag on Instagram, Antonio_photos. Use this hashtag so you will have a chance to be featured in the videos. Looking forward to your photos. the light is beautiful. Now I'll try to compose something nice. I forgot that I'm having 50mm, but it's a bit far away because I'm usually shooting 35 on my Fujifilm. It's 100f. I have to. Write me in the comments if you have any idea where you want me to go in Prague. There's so many places I can shoot videos in Prague all my life. Here's a nice light, kind of. Let's try to make a good composition. I love how the light is falling on the trees and on the snow, and you see the shadows also. I will go with f9, 1/8800th of a second, ISO 800. Another shot against the sun. Charles Bridge. You can check my previous video I made about it. I had a POV walk on the Charles Bridge in the morning. In the summer or in the spring here it's full of people. Down here we had a nice time, they had a beer. This is the National Theatre, Prague. Very significant building for Czech culture. It's the first Czech-speaking theater that they built in the late 19th century. The building next to it, it's a building where the Bedřich Smetana, the famous composer, was living. And also there is the film school FAMU where I studied. And down is the Cafe Slavia, one of the oldest cafeterias that still exist. And this was a nice shot. Yeah, beautiful shot. This camera is maybe like, I don't know, like 7-8 years old, 9. And I think it's still really good. It's not a cheap camera, at that time, and even now if you buy it, it's cheaper. You can have great shots with it. Of course you miss some of the new stuff like touch screen, check your focus and stuff, but before those things didn't exist and still people made great photos. I'm taking this shot with f10, 400th of a second, and ISO 160. I will use sometimes polarizing filter, so the sky can be more dramatical. If you want me to make a video about polarizing filters, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna take one last shot. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.